Well, I'm very impressed. It's my first visit. There's everything here, isn't it? Yeah, it's a real weekend thing, isn't it? You could actually come in each day and see something different.
Well, I think it's a great thing that the people have the chance to see the old cars again.
Well, I've never been before, so this is my first visit to Race Retro. What I've seen are some fantastic cars that are my generation. Sitting on one of them, the M29 McLaren, which I raced in 1979 and 1980. So it's full of people I know, and full of people who are just enthusiasts who want to come, enjoy a day out, see racing cars, wander around, enjoy themselves on a beautiful Sunday.